Here's a 10-second preview of what our video is going to be like. We're taking Botchy to a very lovely park in beautiful British Columbia. Please, guys, if you guys can sub and leave a like on this video, it really does help out both of us quite a bit, especially this little guy. Botchy, we're actually be going on a little bit of an adventure today. We're heading over to somewhere called Hayward Park, and there's a dog off-leash dog area, but take a look at the view. It's actually really, really nice here, as you can see. And he's going to be very excited. So let's continue on with our journey. One of the nice things about BC, one of the things they're known for, is their mountains and their wilderness more than anything. It's just very nice out here. We have arrived. Botchy, are you having fun in the water? Botchy? He's waiting for mom. Patiently, mom has left us. He's waiting for mom. Go get it, Botch. Go get it. Go get it, Botchy. Go get it, Botch. Swim. 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 Botchy. Botchy. Swim. Oh my God, he's swimming, so cute. Go get the ball, it's right there, buddy. It's right there. Go get it. Almost got it. You almost got it. One more try. Botchy. Go get it, Botch. Try again. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. It's almost there. Botchy. Don't give up. You could do it. You did it once already, buddy. Go get it. Botchy, go get the ball. You could do it. You could do it. You could do it. Come on, get it. It's right in front of you. Oh my God. Grab it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. And we're about to head out, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed watching Botchy on his little adventure here today. It was a lot of fun, and thank you for all the support that he gets. Leaving a like and sub really does help, guys. Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening. Botchy, you want to go home? Did you have fun? You want to go home? Let's go home.